up, y'all? I'm gonna be doing, just showing you guys some cool stuff with slime and whatever, yeah. So, let's see. To sink in, let's see how long this takes. 1 Mississippi, 2 Mississippi, 3 Mississippi, 4 Mississippi, 5 Mississippi, 6 Mississippi, 7 Mississippi, 8 Mississippi, 9 Mississippi, 10 Mississippi, 11 Mississippi, 12 Mississippi, 13 Mississippi, 14 Mississippi, 15 Mississippi, 16 Mississippi, 17 Mississippi, 18 Mississippi, 19 Mississippi, 20 Mississippi, and it's done. So now we're going to pull it out. Alright, so it kind of made like a bubble. So look, watch this. Crackers. I was like, yay, what? Oh, cracker. Let me just get this all off. All done. Now we're gonna see how stretchy and texture. Non-sticky, stretchy. Let's check that out. It is kind of okay. So the stretchiness is from 1 to 10. We're gonna give that to Emmy. So that I could give a 10 on stretchiness. 10 on stretchiness, of course. And on stickiness. Squeeze. Put it to my other hand. Squeeze. Put it to my other hand. Squeeze. Put it to my other hand. Squeeze. Let's see. Nope. That's not good. What I'm going to give this one is about a 9.5 on stickiness. Because look. See? Oh no. Because that's all it does. But once you go like that, it's done. See that? Look. Done. Nothing, see? Not between my fingers, not on the back of my hand, not on the front of my hand. So yeah. Let's get on to my next slime. Let's check the textures and get onto it. Alright, so I'm back. So on this slime, on the stretchiness, let's see how much I'm going to give it by stretching it. So I'm going to give this, of course, about 10 on stretchiness and on stickiness. I'm going to give that also, I want to give it a higher than 10, but 10 on stickiness. Stretch. Can you see me? Nope. I got on my spoon that I took it out the container with. I love to hear that crunchiness. I'm going to make crunchy slime. I don't have any. No. It takes forever to get this. Alright, time to put it and crumble it. Ooh. And on the colors of these slimes, I love the colors. Was the best slime. Slow motion. Slow. I'm back. little bit. What's up? I'm back. Alright, so this was the winning slime, of course. And the most giant slime. Would you like me to drop it now? Yeah? I hope you like my video. Bye!